I'm going to try to remove what looks like part of the motion work, keyless work here. It's like a bridge here, and I'm not sure if this bridge if this is part of the bridge, or does the bridge come off? It's a bit unclear here. Remove the click. The click is here. Click spring is a little exposed right there, right here. So I'm going to remove the click. This screw is actually damaged. Oops. Yeah. Ooh. The click spring that wasn't the smartest move, but the click spring is right here on the surface of this. And it looks like it's not real sprung, so I'm going to remove that and put that with the click and the screw that holds that in place. I'm going to see if this plate comes off. Switch the movement over and start working on the. And you can see the mainspring and intermediary wheels are turning. This mainspring just seems like it's permanently in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the keyless work and see if there is something here that is not quite. This would be a yoke and the yoke spring here. Remove this screw, yoke screw here. This you want to be careful moving because it can pop. It's sprung, so you want to take your time with this and just make sure you don't create. There's the yoke spring. And I'm putting that here. And then we remove the sliding clutch. Here. wheel. Pinion. Do not know how to get this, deal with these wheels here. I'll give it a shot. I'm going to try to just leverage out this mainspring. It certainly isn't going to come out with it screwed down, so I'm a little befuddled with that. So maybe I'll come back to that another day.